Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an ad blocker to Google Chrome. An ad blocker helps remove annoying ads and makes your browsing faster and cleaner. We will walk you through the steps to install it quickly. Let's get started. In Google Chrome, go to the upper right corner of your browser. Click the Extensions icon. Then click Manage Extensions. Here, we can see the extensions we already have, but we are going to add another ad blocker. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Web Store, type Ad Blocker in the search bar and press Enter. You will see a list of options. We already have one installed, but we will add another one. For this example, we will use one called Remove Ads. We will click on it to open it. To install it, just click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just click to confirm. The extension is now added to Chrome. We can check by going to our extensions here. It is now installed and turned on. We can also remove it if needed or simply turn it off. That's it. We have successfully added an ad blocker to Google Chrome. Now we can enjoy a faster and cleaner browsing experience.